Okay guys, we're back here at Collie Motorplex with the Sylva J15. It's a beautiful day, about 20 degrees Celsius at the moment. There's been some upgrades to the car since the last time we were here. Got bigger brakes on the front, running a 285mm vented, slotted and drilled rotor with a bigger Wilwood MIDI light 4-piston caliper. The rear is still running the Wilwood power light with a solid rotor. I've got new wheels and tyres as well. On the front we've got a 15x7 with a 195/50, and on the rear we have a 225/45 on a 15x8 wheel. So yeah, much better conditions than last time we were here. Last time we ran a 122.5, I think a 122.6 in quite cold and damp conditions. So today I'll be happy if I get into the 118s. That's the goal. So there it is guys, managed to get into the 117s. Best was an 18.3 up until the last session of the day, and just got a bit braver on the brakes in that last session and got into the 17s. She got pretty hot. It's actually warmed up quite a bit here today. It's probably about 30 degrees at the moment, so not ideal, but new PB, so sweet as.